This is an opus-level model that you can run on your Mac, and it's fast. So, to put it into perspective, it can be up to 70 tokens a second on recent M5 Max MacBook Pros. What it is DFlash 2 running Qwen 3.827B, which is a recent model by Alibaba. It's said to be rivaling Opus 4.6 as per artificial analysis.ai. So let's dive into the blog post and I'll show you how to install it and run it on your Mac easily. You can see that this blog post goes into quite a detail and there's a video as well. But what you need to know is DFlash 2 serves at 2 to 4 times faster than normally, which makes it actually usable on the Mac. The easiest way to install it is using oMLX. You just download it with this link below, and then in the model downloader you paste these two model names. One is the model itself and the other one is a draft. The model that drafts tokens and the bigger one validates them, which makes the whole process go so fast in the first place. With the model manager you'll have to do a couple of settings, but then again it didn't work for me because I'm not running macOS 26, so I went with the llama.cpp path. You can see it running on my Mac here. You can see it's just running Llama server with this model and this drafter. I found an max of 3 to be the most beneficial for my M1 Max 64GB. Let's run it again and give it a try. I've launched it here, and this is an old chat that I got. Let's do a new one. As you can see, it's running on my Mac at 10 to 17 tokens a second, depending on the workload and the context. And you can use it for all kinds of applications. For example, for local documents, private data, or assisted coding. If you have a recent Mac, it should be as fast or faster than ChatGPT or Claude. If you are on older macOS like me, you can go with the Llama CPP path that I did, Command Stack, to get my full workflow. Or you can go with oMLX workflow, which is easier if you have a newer Mac, but you have to configure it a little bit in the web dashboard. Like and subscribe to understand more about local models, AI in general, and practical use cases for them.